G'day everyone. Today we've got a little update on the rust repair from episode 1, so let's go check it out. My repairer Christian took loads of progress shots for me, so we're going to take a look at those along with some of his accompanying texts. Check it out. Great work, huh? Alright, let's get down there and check it out for ourselves. Ta-da! Here we go. You can see this whole section here has the sound deadening material down. Had 4 new pieces welded in here. Looks so good, so legit. I'm super happy with the work. Here we've got the passenger side. Less repair needed. You can see from my shadow pointing. One thing I forgot to mention to my repairer was the fact that there's a foot rail here for your passenger, obviously, because they need it because you drive like a lunatic. And we actually went over this hole, so I'm either gonna have to drill that out again or just delete it because I don't drive like a maniac. Look, all in all, I could not be happier with the job that Christian's done here. I'm gonna link his Instagram in the description of the video if you want to check out his other stuff. It's very cool. Can't wait to get this thing back together, so we're going to start pulling it apart. I'll make this one super short. Up next, T3. No more waiting. I want to see it. Thanks for checking out this mini video, little rust date. Stay tuned for more. Thanks. Bye. Keep getting distracted by like a truck driving past.